Now let's discuss the other components of an API, which is HTTP methods, also known as HTTP verbs. These are the actions that define the type of operation you want to perform on a resource when interacting with an API. Each method has a specific purpose and determines how the server should handle the request. So let's explore some common HTTP methods along with example from the OpenAI API. So the first method is GET. This method is used to retrieve data from server without modifying it. It's commonly used for fetching information or resources. So here you can see an example with OpenAI API. Here the host is api.openai.com. In this example, a GET request is made to the V1 version and completion endpoint of an OpenAI API to retrieve text completion based on the prompt hello. The second important method is POST method. This method is used to submit data to the server to create or update a resource. It's commonly used for actions that modify data on the server. Let's take the example of this POST request with OpenAI API. Here you can see the host is api.openai.com and the content type is application/JSON. We had given prompt which is once upon a time and a max token of 50. Here a POST request is made to the V1 completion endpoint of the OpenAI API to generate text completion based on the provided prompt. The third method is PUT. The PUT method is used to update or replace an existing resource on the server. It's less common in API compared to POST. The fourth component is delete. This method is used to delete a resource from the server. The fifth method is patch. This method is used to partially update a resource on the server. It's typically used when you want to update only specific fields of an existing resource. These HTTP methods provide a standardized way for clients to interact with APIs and perform various actions on resources. By understanding the purpose of each method, developers can design API requests that accurately reflect the intent operations. That's all about API and its components in this video. If you found this video helpful, then give us a big thumbs up. For more such tech informative videos, hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media handles.